What's going on YouTube? Kendall Leven here with Feels Like Home Construction, builder, designer, you already know that. Today we wanted to talk to you about what happens if you have a water issue in your house. And you may have already experienced this before, or you may not have, and you want to be prepared and know what to do. So we're going to show you what to do if you are in your house and you hear water gushing. You could have it upstairs and your shower's turned off. We're going to show you how to stop that issue so it doesn't flood your whole entire house and you have to pay someone to bring fans in there, dehumidifiers. It's simple, super easy, and that way you can be prepared. And say that you're in here getting ready, or you're just doing your chores around the house and you start hearing water gushing. This is what you're going to do. So one time, whenever I was getting ready, the water just started gushing out from underneath the sink. Well, you have shutoff valves underneath your sink, so typically you could just get under there, shut them off, but the water was so hot that I had to go to the main water line to shut that off. So, or it could happen in your shower behind your sheetrock, upstairs, it could be coming down through your ceiling. So we're going to show you right now how to fix that problem. We're out here at the ranch and we're on a well. So typically, if you might be on a well too, or you might live in the city, if you do, typically your main shutoff valve is in the alley, and a little underneath the ground you'll see it, it'll say city of so-and-so wherever you live. Your main shutoff valve will be right there, but since we're on a well, this is where our main shutoff is. And we're going to take this cap off, and you're going to be able to see a little valve down in here. I'll kind of show it to you. So anytime that, and you're just going to twist that, and that's going to shut off your water. So anytime that you have an issue in your house, like we talked about, and you hear water busting and you want to save time and money, just come straight out to your main shutoff valve and figure out where it is first of all. So that's good to know where it is to be prepared, and then shut that thing off, and it'll save you lots of time and a lot of money. We hope that this video helps you or will help you in the future if this ever happens to you. Let us know if you would like to see anything else in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.